Good morning everyone. Today I'll be taking English grammar class. This is chapter number 4, verbs. So first of all we get to know about what is verbs. So any kind of verb you can say any kind of verb. Work is a verb. Any kind of verb is a verb. This is simple. So see the point number 1 and try to understand these points. Find the errors in the following sentences and correct them. So, point number A, we are playing tennis every Sunday. So, in case we are talking about every Sunday, every Monday, this type of, so you'll use we play tennis every Sunday. Point number 2, I own 2 dogs and a cat. I loved animals. Here you'll use I love animals. Point number 3, my suitcase is weighing 4 kilos. Weighing is not correct here because my suitcase is weighs 4 kilos. Weighs will be right answer here. Point number 4, when Mary come in, I talked to mother on the phone. Here you will change when Mary came in, I was talking to mother on the phone. Point number 5, we passed the hotel 2 minutes ago. This is talking about 2 minutes ago. So we'll use we passed the hotel 2 minutes ago. I hope you all are clear about this. So see the next line. Any form of a verb that is used to indicate the time of an action or state shows the tense of the verb. Students clear about it. Any time of action, this is called tense. Any time of an action, this is called tense. So the tenses refers to present, past or future. I hope you are clear. Tenses refers to present, past or future. Present time work is doing, past is work has been done, and the future work will be doing. So here you can see the example: present, past and future. Present it is today, past it is yesterday, and future it means it is tomorrow. And we have just classify it into 4 parts: simple, continuous, perfect and perfect continuous. Simple, it means simple. She sings, she plays, he ran, and that all. The simple sentences you can say present simple tense. Here past, she sang, he played, he went, that is in the past sentence. This is simple past. Future, she will sing. You'll use here will. She will sing. So, simple sentences here. Continuously, you'll use is, am, are, was, were, will be, shall be. In continuous tense, in present, you'll use is, am, are. In past, was, were. In future, will be or shall be. So, in perfect, she has or have you'll use. In perfect condition, present perfect, she has sung. Past perfect, she had sung. Future perfect, she will have sung. So, in the last, present perfect continuous, she has been singing. Past perfect continuous, she had been singing. Future perfect continuous, she will have been singing. So, now here you can see some examples in the simple present tense. Facts that are true at the present time. So, facts that are true, it means you are very good person. It is very hot day, that all are facts. So, you'll use it in the present time. Mother, you look beautiful in this dress. This is also present condition and this is a fact. Fact and things that are always or generally true. It also mentioned in simple present tense. Lions and tigers hunt their prey differently from cheetahs. So this is also the fact, and fact is always in simple present tense. Here you will see the next page. On the page number 23, used to express example, repeated or habitual action. It is always in present tense. Repeated or habitual action. Example, we come here every Sunday. This is in present tense. Events in the future. So the exhibition opens next Monday. It will also in simple present tense. Verbs introducing quotations from book. It will always in simple tense. Newspaper headlines. It will be in simple present tense. So take the help of book and complete this work. So I'm telling you, police nab and take smuggler. This is fact. Newspaper headline. This is newspaper headline. Police nab and take smuggler. Penguin lives in Antarctic. This is fact. Penguin lives in Antarctic. I believe it is the right thing to do. This is thought or opinion. Always I told you, it will be in present, simple present tense. I never have a irritated drink, habitual action, and always habitual actions always in simple present tense. We play badminton every Tuesday. It will also be in simple present tense. The president declares a compensation of 2 lakh rupees to each of the insured persons in the accident. It will be newspaper headline and it will be simple present tense. It rains every afternoon this season. Repeated action. So our flight is at 6:30 tomorrow evening. Events in the future. Water freezes at 0 degree. Facts that are true. Our holiday starts on 15th June. Event in the future. So children, complete it in your book also. So now we'll come to see present continuous tense. Present continuous tense here. Remember it. You will use is, am, are in the sentence. In the present continuous tense, you will use is, am, are with the verb in form. Verb ing form. So here see, something happening at the time of speaking. This is present continuous tense. You just see examples here. An action or situation seen as happening for a short period. This is also in present continuous tense. An action that happens very often. It is generally used with always. Something which has been arranged or planned in the future and is very likely to take place. This is also in present continuous tense. Examples you see and try to understand. So point number C, we'll see and try to understand. I am writing a letter to my friend. If you are using am, I am writing a letter to my friend. This is in present continuous tense. Normally it doesn't rain. It is in the simple form, so we are not using here ing form. Normally it doesn't rain in this part of country, but it is raining quite hard now. Here we will use is raining. Since the sun rises in the east and since it is behind us now, we are traveling west. Point number 4, she wants a new phone. She is saving up to buy one. Point number 5, where is Rajat? He is in the kitchen. He is baking a cake. Point number 6, Anil is washing his car now, so he can't help you with your homework. Next point, I work as a journalist with Hindustan Weekly. Point number 8. My mother usually enjoys detective stories, but she does not like the one she is reading now. I cannot disturb her now. She is playing. Why don't you drink? Why don't you drink your coffee? It is getting cold. So I hope you are clear about the using is am are with the ing condition, and this is the present continuous tense. So now we'll come to see present perfect tense on the page number 25. Present perfect tense will use has, have with the past participle of verb. So verb verb past participle you will use here, and has or have you will use here. Excuse me. So I, we, they, you will take have always. I, we, they, you will take have, and other nouns will take has here. This is present perfect tense. So here action completed in the past and present. Action completed in the past. If you're talking about your study, if you're talking about your work, it has been done always. So that is used in present perfect. Action completed recently where time is not mentioned. To ask for a give information, and immediately completed action used with already used just or just, with yet only in interrogative or negative sentences. Examples you can see: Vidya has traveled all over Europe. I have baked a cake. Would you like some? She has applied to 4 colleges in the US. Her plan has just landed. Have you had dinner yet? I have not yet received any answer from him. Answer here. So you just try to solve it by your own experience. I'm helping you. Point number D. Point A. She has told mother that she is going to the party. She has told. Here you see with the C you use has told. Have you met our new sport teacher? What are you going to do? Have you decided? She has not yet opened all her birthday presents. Why have they blocked the main street again? I have been to Mumbai several times. I love this city. Delhi government has worked hard to make it a nicer place to live. I miss my family. I have not seen them for a month. Fatima has paid the electricity bills already. Have you ever driven a car before? This is, I hope you all are clear. Now point number C, you will see, you will complete it and then after try to match it. Would you like something to eat? Try to find what is the correct answer here. No, you complete it. Point number A, no. He says he have already seen the film. B, I'm sorry, I have broken it by mistake. Point number C, I don't know because I have not yet discussed with him. D point, but we have already met. E point, no, thanks. I have just had a heavy lunch. So here you can see, would you like something to eat? This, it will be E point, no thanks. I have just had a heavy lunch. So try to complete this verb. Point number F, it has already arrived. G, I have not yet seen the newspaper. H, this is the last. She has not yet come to office. Please wait for some time. So students, try to complete it and solve it by your own practice. So page number 26, this is the last topic for today. Present perfect continuous. Present perfect continuous, you'll use here has, have with a been. Has, have with a been, and present participle of verb. So present participle of verb and with the has and have with the been. Here you can see Natasha has been playing the piano since she was 4. One more point, try to understand. In case you are talking about the actual time, in case you are talking about the actual time, then you will use since. If you are talking about the 2001, then you will use since. And if you are talking about any uncertain time, 2 hours, then you will use for. Remember it always. Natasha has been playing the piano since she was 4. What was the 4? You don't know. So here, sorry, this was the certain condition, 4 years. So here you'll use since. I have been walking in the rain, so my clothes are wet. He has been making excuses for a long time now. Now, how long have you been learning Chinese? They have been living here since 2001. Remember it? In case the time is there, mentioned there, so you'll use since. Mr. Rao has been teaching for 2 hours now. This is uncertain 2 hours. The government has been working hard to tackle terrorism. We have been trying to solve this problem since yesterday. So, children, I hope you all are clear about the present tense. Present tense, and this present tense classified in the 4 condition: present, present simple, present continuous, present perfect, and present perfect continuous. So try to understand it again, and thank you very much, class.